The first step in burr replacement is to take the front plate off of the grinder. You'll find that it'll be easiest to remove the front plate if you just turn your control knob over to setting 1. Once you've done that, proceed to loosen the 3 hand knobs that hold the front plate on. Once the hand knobs are removed, front plate comes off. Again, backside of the rotor, just grab on to the ribs and you can pull straight out. I'd like to make a side note. If your rotor does not come off as easily as you've just seen here, the grinder did come with 2 jack bolts, which you can proceed to thread in on these 2 holes, here and here, and that will help you pull that rotor out as you drive those bolts in. Once you remove the rotor, you will see that there is 1 burr that is affixed to the rotor and 1 burr that is on the housing. These burrs are identical and they are held in by 4 screws. To actually remove the burr, simply back off the 4 screws. Once you have the 4 screws backed off, the burr should come right off of the housing. To replace, simply place the new burr in the housing and retighten your 4 screws to hold the burr in. You've just seen how to remove and replace the burr on the housing. It is exactly the same on the rotor. It's held in by 4 screws. Once you remove those, burr should come right off. You can put your new one on, retighten those 4 screws, and you're set. Now, if you've removed the screws to your burrs and it's still stuck to the back of the housing here, and you've tried pulling on this lip here of the burr and you still can't get it off, another trick you can employ is to have a screwdriver kind of placed on the meat of the burr, and you could use a mallet and just rap lightly on the screwdriver to coerce the burr to come off. It'll start turning a little bit, and then as soon as you move it slightly, it should break loose of all the coffee dust and oils, and you should be able to just remove the burr as usual.